As someone who has worked with thousands of senior patients, I want to share the most important advice about men's health after 65. It's more than just a number, it's about maintaining your quality of life. One key area is prostate health, but there are other important health aspects to consider as we age. Understanding these can help you lead a fulfilling, active life. Let's explore how you can take charge of your health journey with practical and science-backed strategies that make a real difference. Your body is like a finely tuned machine, and as we age, it's important to understand its workings. The prostate gland, small but significant, plays a role in urinary and reproductive health. After 65, changes in this gland can occur, such as benign prostatic hyperplasia or prostate cancer. Knowledge is power, and understanding these changes without fear helps you make informed decisions about your health. Let's demystify the prostate's role and how it fits into the larger picture of men's health. Recognizing the signs of prostate issues is crucial for timely intervention. Common symptoms include difficulty urinating, frequent urination, or discomfort in the pelvic area. However, these symptoms aren't a definite sign of serious health issues, but they do require attention. Regular self-awareness and paying attention to subtle changes in your body can be key. Don't ignore these signs, instead discuss them with your healthcare provider who can provide clarity and guidance. Nutrition plays a vital role in managing prostate health and overall wellness. Incorporate a variety of vegetables, nuts, seeds, and fish like salmon, which offers omega-3 fatty acids. These foods support heart health and help manage weight, which is integral to prostate health. Preparing meals in advance can reduce stress and ensure you're eating healthily. Opt for low-sodium, high-fiber foods to keep your digestive system running smoothly, supporting your overall health naturally. Safe and effective movement is essential for health after 65. Gentle exercises such as walking, swimming, or yoga help maintain mobility and reduce stiffness. If you're new to exercise, start slowly to avoid injury. Even chair exercises are beneficial if mobility is limited. Consistent physical activity improves circulation and boosts mood, crucial for maintaining both physical and mental health. Remember, every small movement contributes to your well-being. Regular medical checkups are instrumental in maintaining your health. Partnering with a trusted healthcare provider ensures you receive personalized advice and care tailored to your needs. Monitoring prostate health through regular screenings can catch potential issues early, leading to better outcomes. It's important to understand when to seek immediate medical attention, such as sudden severe symptoms, which should never be ignored. Men's health issues also impact mental health and social well-being. Dealing with changes in health can impose stress or affect relationships. Maintaining a positive mindset and staying socially connected are powerful tools for emotional resilience. Engage in community activities or hobbies that bring joy and foster connections. Mindfulness practices can also help manage stress and promote mental clarity. Emotional health plays a crucial role in the overall quality of life. If you're watching this, you care about your health, and that's already the most important step you can take. To recap, focus on a balanced diet, gentle exercise, regular screenings, and nurturing mental well-being. Small, consistent changes can have a large impact on your life quality. Consult with health professionals for personalized advice. Empower yourself with these insights and take proactive steps towards a vibrant, healthy life beyond 65.